Hi YouTube family, today we are making a quick and delicious midweek dinner ready in less than 15 minutes, but oh my goodness, so good. So this is a pasta dish. So before we make that, obviously we boil water first, and then I'm seasoning my water with a little bit of salt and extra virgin olive oil. I'm using tangliatelle pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice, and we are boiling this as per packaging instruction to al dente. While the pasta is cooking, let's get on with the prawn. So we are heating up some extra virgin olive oil with some unsalted butter. Don't skip on the butter, and if you can, make sure it's 100% butter. Unsalted if you can. If you have salted, it's fine, but yeah, don't skip the butter, guys, you're gonna love it. Anyway, we are heating this up on a medium heat, and once it's all melted, we are going to add in our diced onion and fry this for just 1 minute. We are not giving this onion any color or anything. Let it just release its natural flavor. That's it. 1 minute and ready. We're going to go ahead and then add in the garlic, and I use 6 garlic cloves because this is obviously a garlic and butter prawn. So yeah, garlic it is. Add it in there, and then we are going to fry the garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute until the garlic again have released their natural flavors. Don't overcook this. 30 seconds to 1 minute is more than enough. After that, we are going to add in our raw brown, and these are not seasoned or spiced or anything. They're just as pure as raw as it can be. Okay, so we are adding this in, and the garlic and the butter will make this magical. So don't worry about spicing this up, guys. We are only going to season this with a little bit of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt if you're wondering. A little bit of salt and freshly grated black pepper, and that is it. Don't overcomplicate this dish, guys. And if you are new here, guys, please subscribe, join the club. We cook easy and everyday kind of cooking in here, okay guys? Anyway, so we are going to cook the prawn, turning occasionally for about 3 to 4 minutes, and it's ready. In the meantime, the pasta was ready, nice and al dente. I removed the water and kept a little bit. You're gonna see that we will use that later, okay? So next step, we are going to add in 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You can use cream, but I ran out of cream, and coconut milk is my best alternative. Okay, 1/4 cup. Mix that in well, and then we are going to go ahead and just season this with some flavorful herb which pasta love, which is just basil, chopped basil. And then we are going to mix this well. Every time you add something to your meal, always give it a quick stir so everything can mix up well. Okay, so go ahead and add in the pasta and the water that we kept in there. This is gonna make it nice and creamy, guys. A little bit of pasta water is good in your pasta. Okay, so after that, we are just going to cook this for about a minute or two until the water has thickened and reduced a little bit to your liking. If you like your pasta with a little bit more water, you can just, after adding it, serve it. But I like mine to reduce a bit and thicken, and when it thickens, it's even more creamier and so good. Okay, about 2 minutes, guys. Okay, once it has reduced to your liking, then we're going to go ahead and add in some freshly grated parmesan cheese, guys. Pasta love parmesan cheese. Don't use any cheese if you can, guys. Parmesan always. Grate in there to your liking and then mix it well, and this was ready. Oh my goodness, I went ahead and served this, and even after serving, guys, you will see I added even more parmesan. Oh my goodness, this was so yummy. Easy to make, perfect for busy night, ready in less than 15 minutes, guys. I hope you're inspired, and I hope you'll give this recipe a go. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.